Good evening, student. How are you all? Fine. In our first chapter, we have seen how to search from internet and what are the web browser. In this chapter, we'll be learning one more application that is called Google Photos. For example, sometimes we have many photos, but that photos do not came out so good. What we have to do for this? We need to edit those photographs. So for editing any photos, we need to take help of some application. There are many applications available like Photoshop and others also, but we will be learning Google Photo. Google Photo is also a photo editing application which given by Google and which is free. So for editing any photographs, we will be using Google Photo. Our chapter name is Managing Pictures. This is the chapter 2. In this chapter, we will be learning Introduction to Google Photo, arranging pictures for display. This is the symbol or logo of the Google Photo. That means if you see this symbol, you can assess that you can think that we are using Google Photo application. Now we will be learning how to open Google Photos. To log into Google Photos, we have to use photos.google.com in the address bar of Google Chrome. Press enter to go to Google Photo. You want to enter the Google Photo or any other applications we have. Once you sign in, you will be taken to this screen and we need to click on continue to enter the Google Photos. To enter in Google Photo, we need to have a Google account which we have already created in class 4. So you can use either that account or you can use your parents' account. Please do it with your parents only. So once you are in Google Photo, you can see this screen. This screen, now we want to add some photos. Now we want to add some photo. How we will be adding the photos in this area? This is the application where we can add photographs. This is the menu bar of the Google. You can see photos, you can see albums, you can see this option for you. We will be discussing all these option. Now click on the photos. Click on the start button. This is the plus sign to upload some photos. And you can click on this also to upload the photographs. Where to upload? We are creating a new album. You can create a new album or what you can upload the photographs directly instead of creating albums. So click on the album. For example, I want to create an album. I have few pictures of birds in my computer and I want to keep those in my Google Photo. I can do two things with those photos. First of all, I can edit these photos, and second thing is that we can keep those photos for backup. Like some reason my laptop or my mobile is not working. So we will be losing our photographs. If it is in Google Photo, you will not lose your photos. It will be keeping safe. Then one more facility it is having. What is that? You can share your album with anyone whom you want. Only you need their Only you need their email ID. So if you know some person's email ID, you can share these photographs with them. Now we are creating, my album name will be Bird. Bird. Birds. So this is the album. Now currently it is empty. Now I have to add these photos. So click on add photo. If you are clicking add photo, you will be getting 2 options, but we will be selecting select from computer. I have, this is the pre-loaded photographs I am having. So now these photos I want to store it in Google Photo. I have selected one by one. If I want to select more than one photos together, what we have to do, pressing the control key and then click on the photograph. So now see, I have already selected 1, 2, 3 photographs, 4 photographs. Now I want these photographs to be uploaded where in Google Photos. So click on open. I want to get in the original quality or high quality. Original means the whatever the resolutions are having in the photographs, we can do it. Or we can do it free high quality. No, we want to keep the photographs for time being as it is. Click on continue. So once you are uploading the photographs, now you can see the album. How to see it? How to see this album? We will be, now we are done. Four photos are uploading. So we have uploaded 4 photos. Check on the album, but August, this is actually the account details. This is the descriptions of the album we have got, and these are the photographs we get it. These are the photographs we got it. See, these birds are very nice, no? Yes, I like it. That is the reason I store it. So these are the these four photos. I kept it in which album? My album name is Bird. My album name is Bird. Instead of this view, I want to see in the album view. This was the photo view. Now I want to see my pictures on the album view. But you can't see it, right? Yes, but it is there. Let us check where it is gone. It's in down. See, now all the photographs in one album. Now, before we are here, we have seen some more albums are there, isn't it? What are these? There's people, place, things, videos, collage, animations, movies. Actually, these are the pre created album by Google itself. That means when they are using Google Photo, they have created these 7 albums to categorize the photographs. Why they have done? To categorize the photographs. They have categorized your photo can be filled on the people category. It can be like you have to, people category means you have the photographs with your parents, with your sister, or with your cousins, or anyone. That will become on people category. Instead of creating one more new album, we could put photos over this album as well. Now, place, for example, he went to Jaipur. So that Jaipur trip is it's a place you can keep those photographs in the place. But you always have the option to keep your photographs on your own album. Instead of that, Google is giving these things, videos. So we need to create it. If we have lots of photographs, we can create our own videos. Collage. Collage is a combination of multiple photographs. Means I have a childhood photographs what where different moment is captured. So instead of separate picture, I want all pictures should be together in one big photos. Let me show you what is collage. What is the meaning of collage? See these pictures I have taken bird collage. See this picture. This is also the same one. Here multiple pictures are showing together. All the pictures. See how many birds are there. There are many birds. So this is the collage. Collage is the combinations of one or more photographs. Google help us to create a collage using starting from 2 photographs to 9 photographs. How many photographs? From 2 to 9 photographs. Now animation, we can create animation using the photographs which we have uploaded in Google Photos. So using those we can create the animation. We need to have minimum of 2 photographs and maximum of 50 photographs we can use for the animation. For the video movies, we can create movies using many photographs, and not only photographs, use embed the music as well. So giving the music and the photographs, we can create movies using movies. And those movies we will be finding on the movies folder. Videos also the same thing. These also we can create the videos, or we can upload the video which we are having, and we can create, as well as we can create our videos using any of these photographs which we have uploaded. So that's all for today's work. Today what we have learned what is Google Photo, how we can upload photographs in the Google Photo. In next class, we will see how we can edit Google Photos and how we can create collage and animations. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.